Hello, I'm MOODLE and I'm going to demonstrate rich media. So if you click on the toggle, it opens all this, and as we can see, most of these things are the same as those that we find in Microsoft Word and Google document. So there are those that are unique to this. Let's click on the insert images, and when we click on insert images, here we can write the URL to get the images from the net and description, and here we can write the preview. And if I click the upload images, there are the MOODLE snapshot, MOODLE whiteboard, upload file, recent file, Google Drive, survey, and the rest of them. Then the wiki is there. Okay, let's try MOODLE whiteboard. Let's wait a little. It says next. Then we go to next. There they are, and then we can, I think we can write. Let me try writing on here. There's my pen. I can write on here as I like, anything that I can write. Okay, and then from there you can save the picture, of which I'm not going to save. Let's go out here and see others. There is record MP3, and so okay. There is the manage embedded files. There is MOODLE media. I think they work the same as this one. If I click them, they'll give me the same thing. Okay, those are, let's try this and see what's happening here. Okay, the same as we can upload sound, video, or applets. Still MOODLE is still there, and the most are the same, almost the same as we've seen before. Let me go out. I think this was the demonstration for the unique features of in the rich editor in MOODLE. Thanks for listening and watching.